Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the paper money deposit option in Cash App and what to do if it isn't showing. First, open the Cash App on your phone to reach the home screen. This is where you start troubleshooting. Next, tap the bank building icon to access the banking section. Here you should see different services related to your balance, including the paper money deposit option if it's available. If you don't see the paper money option, go back to the main screen, tap your profile, and then access the support section. Following these steps carefully helps avoid mistakes. Within support, select adding money. This will show detailed information about paper money deposits and how to use them. If the option is still missing, go to the contact section and tap the chat button to start a conversation with Cash App support. This allows you to get personalized help directly from the team. You can send a message explaining that the paper money deposit option isn't showing, including relevant details like whether your app is updated or if this is a new account. Clear communication helps support resolve your issue faster. Cash App support usually responds within a few hours or by the next day, so don't worry. Reaching out is the best way to make sure your paper money deposit option is added and working properly.